Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on an advanced Python concept that is called Python Decorators. So here we will be covering a very short concept but very advanced concept that is applicable in machine learning, that is applicable in other areas of Python programming. So without further ado, let's talk about what is the Python decorator. So decorators are functions that modify the behavior of other functions or methods. They allow for the extension or alteration of a function's behavior without permanently modifying it. Decorators wrap around the function, providing a layer where additional processing can be implemented. So basically the keyword here is modification or alteration of a function's behavior without permanently modifying it. So you have a function code, you don't want to change that code, you just want to alter the behavior of that code later when that is called or when some other function is called. So we will just show you a basic structure of a decorator. So it is a higher order function. What does that mean? That means that it takes another function as an argument. So here we have a my decorator function. We call it like this, but you can call it whatever you wish. And it takes an argument, another function, which I called func, but you can also call it whatever you wish. And inside of the decorator function, we defined another function that is called a wrapper. So wrapper actually executes code before or after the func, which is the wrapped function. So basically here you have three functions. You have the decorator function, you have the wrapper function that is inside, it is an inner function of the decorator function, and you have the func function, which is an argument of a decorator, and that is the function that gets modified in terms of its behavior. So the wrapper, the point of the wrapper is to apply the code either before or after or both before or after the func. So in this case it will only print something before and after, but in practice it can apply some other code, whatever you wish, and how long you wish it to be. And every decorator has this line of code return, so it returns the wrapper function. So it defines the wrapper and it also returns the wrapper. So this is a basic structure of a function. Also, the very important thing that you should understand and that you should notice is this line of code that is called at sign, at syntax, that applies the whole decorator code to the thing below. So in this case it is a greet function that is being defined that is supposed to print only hello. But when we apply this my decorator code to this greet function, it will modify its behavior, it will add something before and something after. So again, my decorator is a function that takes another function as its argument, so it is a higher order function. Inside my decorator, so inside the decorator function, there is a nested or inner function that is called the wrapper. This function is what actually gets executed when you call the decorated function. The wrapper function is designed to add additional behavior both before and after the execution of this func function, which serves as an argument in the wrapper in the decorator, and then the wrapper is returned. This here at sign, at symbol, this line of code actually applies my decorator to the greet function. So this is the fourth function that we here defined. The greet that is supposed to output only hello. But when we apply the decorator to the greet function, and when we call the greet, what do you think that will happen? So it will not only print hello, it will print before and after. So before will be printed before and after will be printed after. So we didn't actually change the code of the greet function. So later we can use the greet function for something else. But we modified its behavior by applying this decorator function to it. And that's the whole purpose of the decorator. Decorators, as I said, they're an advanced concept, and they can be applied in various fields of Python programming. They can be applied in data science, for example, during training and testing of various machine learning models, when you want to alter the training process, the testing process. And it is very useful, but it is also very hard to understand, and especially to apply when you have a very complex code, especially to apply in different computational conditions. So if you understood the concept of decorators, congratulations. Not very many people are able to understand this. And thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.